Hi kids, I am Koda Boy. In the last video, we learned about x and y coordinates and today we will see a demo of it. So let's get started. First, I will select my backdrop. We will select the baseball 2 backdrop. After that, we will select our sprite which is a batter. We will place this batter at this home location. Now here we have 4 positions. This is the home or default position where the batter is currently standing. After that, we have position 1, position 2 and position 3. Now I want my batter to go from the home position to number 1, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3 and then come back to its home position. So what do we need to do for that? We will go to our motion tab and from here we will select glide 1 second to x and y. We will look at the other code blocks in the motion category in upcoming videos. For now we will select this code block glide 1 second to x and y. You can see that the xy values are the same as the current values of my sprite on the right side. Now I will drag my batter to this next position and after that I will again drop the glide 1 second to xy code block below my current code block. Here you can see that the xy values are now appearing as per location number 1. Similarly, I will bring my batter to location 2, then add another code block, then bring him to location 3 and add another code block. To run this code, we will add one more code block. From the events tab, we will add the when flag click code at the very top. And now when we clicked on our flag, our batter will pass through all these positions and come back to its home position. So you see how with the help of x and y coordinates value, we change the position of this batter. Watch this tutorial carefully and practice this a few times and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.